Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome on the third capsule training session on transfer factor lung. So this product is something which amps up your immune system and ramps up your respiratory system health. So this product is something which is designed to help elevate your respiratory system and also your immune system so that it can work at its optimum capacity. So this capsule training session is not only just about transfer factor lung, but it gives you a holistic approach for supporting your lung health. So let me take you through the slides for today's session. And the product is transfer factor lung, which comes in the targeted range of products. So when we speak about targeted range of products, they not only target a particular organ, but the speciality about this range is they take care of a overall respiratory system or a overall system which we are speaking about. So, air pollution, as we all know, during winters in India is a very challenging situation for respiratory health. Now, sources of air pollution are industrial emission, vehicle exhaust, crop burning, and heating. Now, all of these 4 to 5 factors are, something which are responsible for high pollution levels in your cities, and they are also very much responsible for the respiratory health related challenges that we are facing today. Now, if you look at people who are already having existing challenges related to respiratory health, they are more vulnerable in such situation when the air pollution is on rise. So, if we look at elderly population or adults or any children who are more vulnerable to respiratory health related challenges, they are affected much more during this season, especially in the winters. So, let me take you through this capsule session, which is about a holistic approach for taking care of your lung health. So, before moving on to the session, let me take you through some of the fun facts which we all have learned in the school. So, every cell in your body needs oxygen. Now, what do lungs do? Lungs have this very major task of gas exchange. So, when we are inhaling the oxygen and we are expelling the carbon dioxide, this process is conducted by our lung. So, when your lungs are strong and healthy, the gas exchange is more efficient and your cells receive the most benefits. So, to maintain strong lungs, a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, a balanced diet, no smoking or exposure to pollutants, and good respiratory hygiene is very important. Now, your lungs support your sense of smell and also protect your body from harmful substances by coughing, sneezing, and filtering, which are like the reflexes of the body, which are natural, and they happen when you have any harmful microorganism in your lung. So let's clear the air. So your home environment can also be contaminated even if you can't see it or smell it. Now, if you see inhaled fumes from cleaning products also are very harmful for your lungs. Air quality, if you look in India, many cities currently have all-time low air quality. So AQI, when you see on the news articles or in the news, you will see that the alarming ratio AQI is almost very, very high and it's showing the red indicator. That means the severe situation is there when it comes to the air quality index. This alarming situation, what it does, it possesses significant risk to the public health as exposure to toxic air pollutants can lead to respiratory problems, a lot of cardiovascular challenges, and other health issues as well. Now, cigarette smoking can also harm your lungs even if you are a second-hand smoker. That means even if you are staying with someone who's smoking, you are not directly taking having a cigarette, uh, but but someone near to you is smoking, then also it can affect your lung health very negatively. Now, air quality in India, if you look at it, none of the Indian cities meet the prescribed World Health Organization standards for PM 2.5. While 48% of the country's cities exceed 50 micrograms per cubic meter or more than 10 times of the WHO guidelines. So what the guidelines WHO is giving, Indian cities, more than 48% to 50% of the Indian cities, they are having 10 times more worst air quality than what WHO is suggesting. So this is a alarming situation at a public health level, and addressing air pollution is very, very important. Now, this is the second biggest risk factor for non-communicable health related challenges and is the key to protect public health. Now, pointing out challenges, the reports say that air pollution is the second biggest risk factor of diseases in India, and major sources of air pollution, as we already discussed, are vehicular emission, construction, industrial waste, because and which people are very much prone, who are regularly traveling, who are working on the field. These people are very much prone to air pollution. Apart from this, people who are living in the cities with high air pollution rates, a lot of air vehicular emission, a lot of, when you're living in the industrial areas, they affect your respiratory health in a very, very negative way. Now, we spoke about PM 2.5. Now, what is PM 2.5 exactly? So, these are very small particles of size PM 2.5. These are able to travel deeply to your respiratory tract and reach to the lungs. So if the particle size that you are inhaling in the air is less than PM 2.5, it is very, very harmful for your body, because what is happening is these particles are so fine that your lungs are ingesting them inside. Your lungs are not able to filter them out, and they cause a very negative impact to your respiratory health. Now, exposure to these fine particles can cause short-term health effects such as eye problems, nose problem, throat, lung irritation, coughing, sneezing, runny nose, as well as shortness of breath. So, if you have too much of PM 2.5 particles in the air and you are inhaling them, it has a very negative impact on your eye health, on your nose, throat health, lung health, etc. Now, lungs, if you see, are the third most important detoxifying organ after the liver and the kidneys. That means they can detoxify themselves. So when we talk about, detox, it is always about the body, it is always about the kidneys, or it's about the liver. But lungs also are very important when it comes to, they have this own capacity to detoxify themselves. Now, immune system cells in the lungs, they carry out the particles. Cilia is a hair-like structure in the trachea, which moves the harmful particles out of your lungs. And what does mucus do? Mucus plays a very critical role in assisting the particles out of the respiratory system. So it is produced by the cells lining the respiratory tract and acts as a protective layer to trap any kind of allergens, any kind of irritants and pathogens that are inhaled. So mucus also plays a very important part when it comes to your respiratory health. Now, let me take you through 4Life's transfer factor lung, which is our latest product. It is a well-researched, a patented product. It offers lung health ingredients that support your lung and overall respiratory system. So, as I already told you, this range is not just about a particular organ system. It takes care of the entire, but it is not just about a particular organ, but it takes care of the entire respiratory system. So it is powered by transfer factor to help your immune system recognize, respond to, and remember any potential health threats. Now, 4Life transfer factor lung, it features, now let me take you through the features and benefits of the product. So it features a proprietary lung detox blend to ramp up your lungs detoxifying power. So it is going to elevate your lungs detoxifying power, the power to remove the toxins from the body. Second is it helps eliminate the air pollutants in the respiratory tract. So whichever pollutants are stuck in your respiratory tract, which your lungs is not able to filter out effectively, this product is going to help eliminate those pollutants out of your respiratory tract. Next, it reduces the oxidative stress in the system because of the presence of a lot of antioxidants. So it is going to quench the free radicals in the body, and it is going to reduce the oxidative stress in your system. Now it supports the immune system in the respiratory tract because of the presence of transfer factor trifactor formula in it, and a lot of immune cells are also there in your lungs. Now it contains an adaptogen that boosts antioxidant function in smokers and non-smokers. Now it also helps your body detoxify the air pollutants. So any air pollutants that are there in the body are also taken care of when you're taking this product. So it promotes respiratory function, supports lung tissue health, and supports your airways natural defense against pollution-based damage. So it is powered by transfer factor trifactor formula. Now let me take you through the ingredients of this product. So it has vitamin C, it has transfer factor, and it has ginseng. So vitamin C is something which helps in protecting the lungs and also reduces the risk of developing any inflammatory lung issues. And in some studies, it has been seen that administration of vitamin C and ginseng enhance the activation of immune cells such as T cells and NK cells, and they repress the progression of viral cycles in the body. Apart from this, it has bilberry and it has citrus fruit extracts and antioxidants which help in reducing the oxidative stress That means it helps in neutralizing the free radicals in the body. Now, bilberries, as we all know, are very much rich in anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that may reduce the markers of inflammation in your lungs. That has black cumin extract and vitamins, which has significantly seen to improve the lung function. Then it has ivy leaf extract, which helps in, which is very powerful antioxidant that supports the enzyme responsible for detoxifying the body. It has thyme and N-acetyl L-cysteine, which help the respiratory tract remove the foreign particles. So any adult who needs to support the respiratory system can benefit from transfer factor lung. So how to use it? You have to take 3 capsules daily with 240 ml of fluid, and it is best when it is accompanied with food. So this was all about transfer factor lung. Thank you very much for attending today's session.